små vi in America.
I like to be in America. Okay, by me in America. Everything free in America.
För små vi in America.
Such a feeling's coming over me. There is wonder in most everything I see. Not a cloud in the sky, got the sun in my eyes, and I won't be surprised if it's a dream. Everything I want the world to be is now coming true, especially for me.
Hakuna Matata. Kveð orð eru sönn. Hakuna Matata. Þau standast tímans tönn. Óþarfa áhyggjur, allar þurrkaðar út.
Og yndi, ástir og vín ævintýri, unarslegt vín. Lífið þegar fjörið hvín, það förum við til tunglsins öll af grín. La 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 la.
Shining bright above you. Night breezes seem to whisper, I love you. Birds singing in the sycamore tree. Dream a little dream of me.
Morning has broken like the first morning. Blackbird has spoken like the first bird. Praise for the singing, praise for the morning, praise for them springing fresh from the world. Sweet the rain's new fall, sunlit from heaven, like the first dew fall on the first grass. Praise for the sweetness of the red garden, sprung in completeness where his feet pass. Mine is the sunlight, mine is the morning, born of the one light, eat us or play. Praise with elation, praise every morning, God's recreation of the new day.
We got a message for you. Sunshine, sunshine reggae. Don't worry, don't hurry. Take it easy. Sunshine, sunshine reggae.
We're living together, but still it's farewell. And maybe we'll come back to earth, who can tell? I guess there is no one to blame. We're leaving ground. Will things ever be the same again? It's the final countdown. The final countdown.
We are the champions, my friends, and we'll keep on fighting till the end. We are the champions. We are the champions. No time for losers, 'cause we are the champions of the world.
I see trees of green, red roses too. I see them bloom for me and you. And I think to myself, what a wonderful world. I see skies of blue and clouds of white, the bright blessed day, the dark sacred night. And I think to myself, what a wonderful world. The colors of the rainbow, so pretty in the sky, are also on the faces of people going by. I see friends shaking hands, saying, how do you do? They're really saying, I love you. I hear babies cry. I watch them grow. They'll learn much more than I never knew. And myself, what a wonderful world. Yes, I think to myself, what a wonderful
I used to think maybe you love me. Now, baby, I'm sure. And I just can't wait till the day when you knock on my door. Now, every time I go for the mailbox, gotta hold myself down. 'Cause I just can't wait till you write me you're coming around. Now I'm walking on sunshine. Whoa, I'm walking on sunshine. Whoa, I'm walking on sunshine. Whoa, and it's starting to feel good. Hey, all right now, and it's starting to feel good. Hey, yeah. I used to think maybe you love me. Now I know that it's true. And I don't wanna spend my whole life just waiting for you. Now I don't want you back for the weekend, not back for a day. And no. I said, baby, I just want you back, and I want you to stay. Oh yeah, I'm walking on sunshine. Whoa, I'm walking on sunshine. Whoa, I'm walking on sunshine. Whoa, and it's starting to feel good. Hey, all right now, and it's starting to feel good. Yeah, oh yeah, and it's starting to feel good. Walking on sunshine, walking on sunshine. I feel alive, I feel alive, I feel alive, that's really real. I feel alive, I feel alive, I feel alive, that's really real. I'm on sunshine, baby. Oh yeah, I'm on sunshine, baby.
I think I did it again.
chores are over at our ranch house on the plain, and all I've got to do is lie around. I saddle up my pony and go riding down the trail to watch the desert sun go down, riding down the canyon to watch the sun go down, a picture that no artist there could paint. White-faced cattle lowing on the mountainside, I hear a coyote whining for its mate. Cactus plants are blooming, sagebrush everywhere, granite spires are standing all around. I tell you folks, it's heaven to be riding down the trail when the desert sun goes down, when the desert sun goes down.
There's a storm across the valley, clouds are rolling in. The afternoon is heavy on your shoulder. There's a truck out on the 4-lane, a mile or more away, and the whining of his wheels just makes it colder. He's an hour away from riding all your prayers up in the sky. 10 days on the road, barely gone. There's a fire softly burning, supper on the stove. It's the light in your eyes that makes him warm. Hey, it's good to be back home again. Sometimes this old farm feels like a long-lost friend. Yes, and hey, it's good to be back home again. There's all the news to tell him. How'd you spend your time? What's the latest thing the neighbors say? And your mother called last Friday, sunshine made her cry. You felt the baby move just yesterday. Hey, it's good to be back home again. Sometimes this old farm feels like a long-lost friend. Yes, and hey, it's good to be back home again. And oh, the time when I can lay this tired old body down, feel your fingers feather soft upon me. Kisses that I live for, love that lights my way. that living with you brings me. It's the sweetest thing I know of, just spending time with you. It's the little things that make a house a home. Like a fire softly burning, supper on the stove, and the light in your eyes that makes me warm. Sing it. Hey, it's good to be back home again. Now sometimes this old farm feels like a long lost friend. Yes, and hey, it's good to be back home again. Hey, it's good to be back